there! If you want to find online work, pero hindi mo alam kung saan ka maghahanap, today I'm going to teach you how you can create an account sa onlinejobs.ph. Now, onlinejobs.ph is one of the most well-known job sites here in the Philippines. And what's great about the platform is that it's specifically made for Filipinos. So I'm Chi Paiva Suarez, and this is Remote Moms Movement. To begin, you just need to go to onlinejobs.ph. So, enter mo lang siya sa address bar mo. Okay. And then from here, you look for the sign up button located sa upper right-hand corner. And then click on that. And then when you do that, another window will open. And here, choose I am a worker. Then just fill out the details na they're asking for. So enter your full name, your email address, and your preferred password. So as I mentioned earlier, onlinejobs.ph is made specifically for Filipinos. So upon sign up, they're asking you to confirm that yes, you are a Filipino and that you understand that onlinejobs.ph is only for Filipino workers. So tick that box. And as an added precaution, they also have a security question that you have to answer. Now, you don't have to worry. If you are a Filipino, this is sobrang easy for you. You also have to tick this box. It is just a reminder na you cannot have multiple accounts on onlinejobs.ph. Now, if in the future nagkaroon ka ng issue with this account that you're creating and then you decide na you're just going to scrap this and you're thinking of creating a new one, I'm just telling you right now na that is not actually allowed and it might get you banned. And then lastly, you also have to agree to their terms of service as well as their privacy policy. And once you have all that information in, just click on register. Once you click on register, a window will pop up congratulating you sa new account mo sa onlinejobs.ph. It will also tell you or instruct you na you have to click on the confirmation link na pinadala nila sa email mo. If you haven't received that email, you can go ahead and click on this link and onlinejobs.ph will resend you another one. This is how it's going to look like. And when you open it, makikita mo na yung link. Just click on that link to confirm your account activation. And that's it. That's how easy it is for you to create an onlinejobs.ph account. Once you have that account activated, then you can go ahead and apply for as many jobs as you like na available sa platform. So if you find this video helpful, please like the video and also remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so that you're updated every time my new videos tayo available and uploaded. So thanks again for watching.